Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about adjectives. First, an adjective is a word that qualifies or modifies a noun. So, that is the definition of an adjective. Adjective is a word that qualifies or modifies a noun. That means adjective says something about a noun or a pronoun or adds some meaning to a noun. It answers the questions which, how much, how many, or what kind asked of the nouns. So when we ask questions to the nouns, which, how much, how many, or what kind, if we get an answer for any of these questions, that answer will be adjective. Examples: an interesting film. Film is the noun. What kind of film? An interesting. Entertaining. An entertaining film. So, what kind of film? An entertaining film. Entertaining is adjective. The left turn. Which turn? Left turn. So it is answer to the question which, left. So left is adjective. Four cups. How many cups? Four. Four comes as the answer of the question how many. So four is adjective. An adjective gives clarity to a sentence. So adjective gives clarity. Means adjective makes the meaning of the sentence clear. If something is not clear, with the use of an adjective, we can clear the meaning. Sneha is carrying a green bag. Sneha is carrying a bag. When we use green along with the bag, the meaning is clear. The doubt is over. What kind of bag Sneha is carrying? A green bag. The project was a huge success. Project was a success, but huge adds some more clarity to the sentence. The project was a huge success. Now we shall see the position of adjectives in a sentence. Adjectives usually occur between the determiner and the noun. In a sentence, a determiner is used, then an adjective is also used. Then the position of adjective will be between the determiner and the noun. For example, my friend Manju is a famous dancer. Dancer is the noun, and a determiner is used a. So the adjective famous comes between determiner a and the noun which the adjective qualifies, dancer. So the place of famous is between the determiner a and the noun dancer. Then, if determinants are not used, usually the position of noun, position of adjective in a sentence is just before the noun, the adjective qualifies. Example: there were tall trees and lovely flowers. There were tall trees and lovely flowers in the park. So, the adjective tall qualifies the noun trees. So, tall is used just before the noun which it qualifies. Then another adjective used in the sentence is lovely, and lovely qualifies the noun flowers. So lovely is used just before the noun flowers. Then another position of adjective is after a linking verb such as is, has, was, were, etc. or an intransitive verb such as seem, appear, or look. Usually, a connecting verb, linking verb is used in a sentence. Some auxiliary verbs used as main verb in the sentence. Then the position of adjective will be just after the linking verb. Or if intransitive verb, that means a verb which does not have an object is used in a sentence, then the position, then also the position of adjective will be just after the intransitive verb. So in a sentence, if the verb used is a linking verb or an intransitive verb, the position of adjective will be just after the linking verb or the intransitive verb. For example, the audience was disappointed. Was is a linking verb, and the position of adjective disappointed is just after the linking verb was. The winner looked surprised. Surprised is the adjective, and verb looked is an intransitive verb. So the position of adjective surprise is just after the linking intransitive verb looked. I hope this part is clear to you, everyone. We shall learn some more about adjectives in the next video. Thank you, everyone.